This form is to notify the respondent that there is a filed case against them and that their legal rights may be affected if they do not respond timely. Select an option from the drop-down menu to indicate which county the case is being heard. The first post-service form is the Certificate of Mailing or Delivery to Division of Child Support. To find local DCS offices, click this info tip. This next form, Acceptance of Service, Waiver of Appearance, and Consent to Entry of Judgment, may be used for the respondent to accept service of process, waive their appearance in the matter, and consent to the entry of a judgment based on the relief requested in the petition. This form is the Acceptance of Service, Waiver of Appearance, and Consent to Default, which may be used for unmarried adult children 18 to 20 years old. This form, Certificate of Service, may be used as your proof of service. First, select each checkbox that indicates a form that was served upon the respondent. Refer to the Initiating Forms packet if you need to.